Did you know that artificial intelligence has been around since the mid-20th century? The term artificial intelligence was first coined in 1956 at a conference at Dartmouth College. Since then, AI has evolved significantly. Today, artificial intelligence is used in various applications, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to advanced algorithms that drive autonomous vehicles. These technologies rely on machine learning, a subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data and improve over time. Robots, on the other hand, have a fascinating history. The first industrial robot, Unimate, was introduced in the 1960s and was used for tasks like welding and assembly in manufacturing. Today, robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, with capabilities that allow them to perform complex tasks in various fields, including healthcare, agriculture, and even space exploration. The integration of AI and robotics is revolutionizing industries. For instance, robotic surgery systems enhance precision and reduce recovery times for patients. In agriculture, AI-powered drones help monitor crop health and optimize yield. As we look to the future, the collaboration between AI and robots holds immense potential. From smart homes to advanced manufacturing, the possibilities are endless. However, this rapid advancement also raises ethical questions about job displacement and the need for regulations to ensure responsible use. In conclusion, the synergy of artificial intelligence and robotics is reshaping our world, opening new doors for innovation and efficiency.